Hey friends, it's Gabby and back here in front of you. Today I will be showing you guys a declutter with me since my room has been so messy these past few weeks. I haven't really had the time to clean it up since I've been so busy. So enjoy this video of me cleaning my room and getting rid of this mess. So yeah.
Reach me here, I see you round the corner of my eye. Do you feel it the way I feel it too? It's all this because of you. I'm feeling tricky, wanna play your game. Will I go insane?
Now for the most important part, which is cleaning this desk. It is so messy and there's so many things because I've been in and out of my house because of school and also my internship. So I decided to just clean it all and rearrange everything. And also I decided to repurpose my prints that I had and turn it into like hairpin holders, I guess. So I think that's a good tip if you guys are collectors of prints yourself. So yeah.
I still remember when we used to come back in Texas. Tell me, what are you trying to say? Are you taking over now? Can I take control?
Finally, I decluttered myself by taking a shower and brushing my hair, doing my skincare routine, and all those fun stuff. But that pretty much wraps up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. But I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you all keep growing. Bye!
Shine, free, smile, or let us light up the night.